Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then find the biometrics and password. Now let's tap on fingerprint ID, and before we will be able to add the fingerprint we have to set the screen lock if you of course do not have one. If you've got one you will be directly transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now and not to forget, but really not forget your PIN, because thanks to this, if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. Of course, you can set the PIN, you can also change unlock method, you can pick the password or the pattern. I will pick the pattern, so let me redraw. I want to redraw because I want this full L. Okay, let's tap on done. And right here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. No worries, you can do it also after adding the fingerprint. So let's tap on new fingerprint, and here we've got the instructions. We will have the sensor on the screen, so just tap on add fingerprint. Here we've got the note about the fingerprint sensor, which may be affected with the third-party screen protectors, so just tap on OK. And here we have to place our finger on the sensor, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner, every edge, every area for better recognition. Alright, we just successfully enrolled our fingerprint. You can rename it or simply leave it like this. Alright, here we've got the options connected with the fingerprint, so you can decide whether you want to unlock the device. It is set by a default. Access safe, access uplock, autofill usernames and passwords. Here we've got also the fingerprint animation. You can change it, you can pick the option you like the most. As you can see, you can simply swipe. Let me pick this one, for example, confirm it with a confirmation mark. Let's go back, and here we've got the fingerprint list. You can add up to 5 different fingerprints. You can also identify the fingerprint, so it makes sense when you've got more than one fingerprint added. You can always put your finger on the sensor and your device will simply highlight the fingerprint, and you will be able to decide whether you want to remove it, etc, etc. Alright, let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Here we've got it, and as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.